ਤੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਓਨਟਾਰੀਓ ਦੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਕ੍ਰਿਸਟੀਨ ਇਲੀਅਟ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਪੀਲ ਰੀਜਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੱਧ ਰਹੇ ਕੇਸਾਂ ਕਾਰਨ ਇਸ ਇਲਾਕੇ ਨੂੰ ਰੈੱਡ ਜ਼ੋਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਆਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਪੀਲ ਦੀ ਚੀਫ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਅਧਿਕਾਰੀ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਲਾਰੈਂਸ ਲੋ ਦੇ ਸੁਝਾਅ ਮੁਤਾਬਿਕ ਹੋਰ ਪਾਬੰਦੀਆਂ ਲਗਾਈਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ 3 ਹੋਰ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਟੈਸਟਿੰਗ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਖੋਲੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਲੀਡਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਟੈਸਟਿੰਗ ਲਈ ਜਾਗਰੂਕ ਕਰਨ।
Health and well-being of Ontarians is and always has been our top priority. In response to COVID-19, our government has had to make a number of decisions, often very difficult ones that have profoundly affected people's lives. We know, though, that this pandemic is going to be with us for some time. That's why last week we unveiled our province's COVID-19 response framework, developed in consultation with the Chief Medical Officer of Health, the Public Health Measures Table, and other health experts. The Keeping Ontario Safe and Open framework ensures that public health measures are targeted, incremental, and responsive, and gives us the flexibility to allocate resources where they're most needed. In Peel Region, the 7-day indicators of public health trends support the decision to move the region into red, control level. Recently, Peel's Medical Officer of Health, Dr. Lowe, put in place additional public health measures for that region. Local authorities and medical officers of health have the ability to tailor restrictions in their communities based on local circumstances. To further support the communities in Peel Region, our government is taking immediate action to stop the spread of COVID-19. We are providing more locations and innovative testing options to help increase access to testing. These include establishing 3 new community-based testing centres in Brampton by tomorrow, at Snellgrove Community Centre, Gore Meadows Community Centre, and Greenbrier Community Centre. Mobile testing sites, including one at the CMHA Peel Dufferin Mobile Health Clinic in Brampton, to respond to an increase in local demand for tests and to provide access in testing in communities where travel is a barrier. We're also opening walk-in availability at assessment centres for those who can't book online or by phone, and implementing up to 7 pharmacies or specimen collection centres in partnership with Life Labs, Dynacare, and Alpha over the next 2 weeks. In addition, we are working with community leaders throughout the region to promote awareness of the importance of testing. Our government is also providing additional case and contact management support to Peel Regional Health Unit. This includes onboarding up to 70 additional case and contact management staff to directly support Peel Region, and collaborating with 10 other public health units with lower case counts to provide additional case investigation assistance.